Hey guys, we're here at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. Last year when we were here, we won the jackpot, and so we're going to try our luck again. But first, the room tour. This is a very nice room. It's actually in the Boulevard Tower. The Cosmopolitan has two towers, the Chelsea and the Boulevard. The Boulevard Tower is the closest to the strip, but here's the best part of the room. Good morning, Las Vegas. We didn't do too good at the casino last night, but we're gonna try again today. For now, we're gonna head down to breakfast to our favorite breakfast place here at the Cosmopolitan. They have the best breakfast sandwiches. It's called X-Lot. This is so good. We just finished breakfast and back at the casino. Let's see what happens today. Las Vegas is always such a fun time, especially when you stay here at the Cosmopolitan. Before we end the video, I want to give a shout out to Alex, who provided the limousine service. I'm going to put his contact information down below in the description. Make sure that you follow him on social media so that next time that you're coming to Las Vegas, you can reach out to him for your transportation needs. And thank you for supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. If you haven't yet, make sure that you do subscribe. We have a couple of trips left for this year. We're actually coming back to Las Vegas, and we're also heading to Disneyland. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.
You ready, baby?
Yeah, we'll see.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, boy.
So I go first.
Oh, so yeah, so then I have to calculate.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yo creo que ese va a ser el mejor.
One more.
No, baby, pero ya.
Just one more.
You like it.
Yeah.